You are welcome to digitizings.com, the channel dedicated to turning your creative visions into perfectly digitized realities. Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit or debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com. Visit the website digitizings.com. Now let's see and learn about top 3 embroidery machine models for 2025. Embroidery has always been a symbol of creativity and craftsmanship, blending artistry with technology. As we step into 2025, the demand for advanced embroidery machines is skyrocketing, driven by the rise in personalized apparel, custom gifts, and professional-grade designs. Choosing the right embroidery machine can elevate your work, whether you're a hobbyist, small business owner, or part of a large-scale enterprise. This guide highlights the top 3 embroidery machine models for 2025, focusing on their standout features and how they cater to various needs. 1. Brother SE 2000, a seamless blend of versatility and performance. The Brother SE 2000 continues to dominate the embroidery machine market, thanks to its user-friendly interface and robust features. Key features: a 5 inches x 7 inches embroidery field, offering ample space for detailed designs. Built-in wireless connectivity for importing patterns directly from online libraries. Over 200 built-in embroidery patterns and 135 sewing stitches, making it a dual-purpose powerhouse. An intuitive touchscreen for quick adjustments and easy navigation. Ideal for: this machine is perfect for beginners and intermediate users who want a versatile, all-in-one solution for embroidery and sewing projects. Its affordability and reliability make it a top choice for home use. 2. Genome Memory Craft 500E Professional Precision for Detailed Designs. Genome's Memory Craft 500E is a game changer for those aiming to produce intricate and high-quality embroidery. Key features: a larger 7.9 inches x 11 inches embroidery area, perfect for bigger projects like quilts and tablecloths. Built-in editing tools including resizing, rotating, and combining patterns directly on the touchscreen. Advanced needle threading and adjustable hoop positioning for precision work. 160 built-in designs and the ability to import custom designs via USB. Ideal. 4. Tailored for professionals and serious hobbyists. The Memory Craft 500E delivers unmatched precision and versatility, making it a staple in embroidery studios. 3. Bernina 790 Plus, a premium choice for creative innovators. Known for its luxury and cutting-edge technology, the Bernina 790 Plus is a top-tier embroidery machine designed for those who want the best of the best. Key features: a vast embroidery field of 10 inches x 6, suitable for large-scale projects. Patented dual-feed technology ensuring even fabric handling for flawless stitching. Over 300 built-in embroidery designs and the capability to create and edit custom designs with its advanced software. Smart thread tensioning and high-speed stitching for consistent and efficient output. Ideal for: this model is an excellent choice for seasoned professionals who demand precision, flexibility, and innovation. Its premium price tag reflects its state-of-the-art capabilities and durability. Conclusion: the embroidery machine market in 2025 offers a range of exceptional models tailored to different user needs. The Brother SE 2000 caters to versatility and affordability. The Genome Memory Craft 500E excels in professional-grade precision. And the Bernina 790 Plus stands out for its premium quality and advanced features. Investing in the right embroidery machine is not just about enhancing your creative potential, but also about achieving consistent, high-quality results in your work. Choose the model that aligns with your goals and let your creativity shine. If embroidery digitizing is on your mind, trust digitizings.com to deliver accuracy, creativity, and professional results. Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or credit and debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com. Visit the website digitizings.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.